Hello and welcome back. So today let's say I got my first prediction right. Even if people were celebrating and were saying, oh, they are signing it and now we have peace, it will be bullish and stuff like this. I said, nope, it will not be so easy because you have to check the macro, macro timeline and the geopolitics and everything. Um, So first of all, everything is aligning. During this period, we still have in the Bitcoin cycle, we should still have problems in the market, in the world, everything. So the Bitcoin will still stay down a few months. That's the financial point that I will make. And the second part is the geopolitical situation is very complicated and it's not easy to make everyone agree, and you cannot force them, especially the foot soldiers. You cannot force them into peace because they will just act on their own, especially when they got their leaders kaboomed, let's say. So yeah, the Bitcoin is now sitting at 59,500. It's Sunday evening as I'm filming this, and probably I will let it go in the morning, or in anyway, it will be tomorrow. So let's go through a few posts and see what happened. So, warning: something extremely bad is coming tomorrow. This one is from Tracer. President Trump just said Iran might cease to exist as a country. This is not press release. This is not diplomatic language. Read it again slowly. The Islamic Republic of Iran will no longer exist. Markets open in hours. Nobody is positioned for this. The ceasefire is functional. Yeah, I said it. It's not as easy, and it's not the right timing to have peace, because there are a lot of reasons for that. First, it's the complicated situation, and the second one is financial alignment, which wasn't the real time. So we are still in accumulation period. So drone strikes in Bahrain, attack on ships in Strait of Hormuz. Let's go to the next one from Crypto Ties. Trump just told the world to buy stocks and crypto. You'd better start buying stocks and crypto now. This country is going to take off. I wouldn't buy stocks right now. I would buy some of them, but the thing is, if they just say like, oh, just buy stocks and just take it one by one, take the stocks one by one, say, oh, this one is undervaluated and this one is overvaluated and this one is on fair value, and some of them are I was thinking which stocks I could buy now, and there were a few. For example, I was checking on land from Gladstone, which is the safest. It pays monthly dividend, and it's very low right now. It's a very good price for me. Now you have to do your own research. Let's go to the next post, and this one, I think this one is the last with Iran. So Trump at 5 p.m. If I give the order, the Islamic Republic will be gone in 15 minutes. So this is drama. It's like, wow, the American TV shows, the reality TV shows will be like, wow, you get it. So Iran has existed for over 3,000 years. It survived 47 years of your sanctions, and you think you can erase us in 15 minutes. So Trump right now, I would say he's just talking without thinking. And what people in the East have, from Eastern Europe to Middle East to certain African countries and even certain South American countries, is like, if you take the capital and the leader, you don't take over a country. You've seen it with Afghanistan, with Vietnam, and the people are just going to burn their own homes and fight from the jungle, from the mountains, and you cannot take over it. It will just go back to tribalism and stuff like this, and they'll just destroy everything, and keep fighting like savages if they have to. But I don't think it will be the case. I think it will just be a lot of barking between those two and other guys, and a lot of volatility on the markets, of course. Now let's go to the next post, which is from CryptoTice again. Strategy is sitting on a 13 billion unrealized loss. The largest corporate Bitcoin bet in history is underwater by $13 billion. And Saylor hasn't sold a single set. Well, he has. So this is either the greatest conviction trade ever made or the most dangerous leveraged position in corporate history. The time will decide which one. Now, he's investing long term. It's not basically a trade. If you have this kind of money, you're not going to need them to buy food tomorrow. It's not like you have to sell it. But how many generations can live with this money, and and that's just the loss, and he's got way more. Anyway, that's a good time for him to buy even more. Why not? He keeps making money, and this is just an investment, and I would really like to know the reasons behind his investment, because it's a long-term investment, it's not a trade, and it would be interesting, but we will never know, sadly. It's a good bet, it's an interesting one. And let's go to the next post, which is from Coin Bureau this time. So Bitcoin falls below 60k before Monday open. Bitcoin broke under its key. Yeah, we might see on Monday, some something like this. I would say 58, 56, maybe, but I'm not a daily trader, and I'm playing long term. I'm like buying here and waiting until here or something like this, or buying here, selling here, things like this. It's what I do. I'm not doing trade from today until tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. I believe it won't go lower than 55. It won't go, and that's a maximum that I'm thinking of. So let's go to the next post, which is from Leshka.Ethereum. Breaking: Trump will reportedly hold an emergency meeting on Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Insider says about US and Iran. Something very bad is coming. So everywhere fear mongering again. Everywhere. So it's easy to see that it's fake news. Why even try? So comment section is wild. Next post, it's from Crypto Tweets. So crazy, Robert Kiyosaki just made another wild prediction about the impending financial crash. I don't trust this guy. I mean, he's got a successful book and some other things, but he just wants glory and to be in the middle of... he wants attention, basically. He's an old guy with enough money to do whatever he pleases, so now he's just here for the thrill and the fun of being in the center of the things. So gold 35k per ounce. It's my pronunciation is sometimes a little bit off. Silver 200 per ounce. Bitcoin 750k. Oh my god. Ethereum 95k. So according to him, 1 year after the biggest bubble burst, we'll supposedly see these prices. I don't know what to say. Those are extremes. And you know why I think those are extremes? Because everyone says, oh, Bitcoin will be 250,000 in this, and in 2025 it was just half of that. So if we take these predictions and we half them, we might see a Bitcoin, I would say, to 300k. This might happen. 300k is possible. And Ethereum, I think Ethereum would be less than half, less 20k, maybe 20k. And about this, I don't know. I'm not in silver and gold now. I never was. I just traded for a little bit for fun, like 50 bucks, just to try my luck. So next post, it's from the 0x Nobler. Breaking: Fed will inject 6, I think this is billion. Yeah, 6 billion point 6 into the economy right before the US market opens. The new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh, has urgently ordered the Fed to begin the QE. This is good news. This is, in my opinion, something that could move the market, however, not overnight. So, to prevent a brutal market crash next week, something very bad is coming tomorrow. We will see about this. I'm tired of fear mongering, and I saw this last post, and it will be really interesting to see, because according to this guy, we will see an all-time low in 6th of October, and yeah, around that time it's predicted to be the bottom, and 1 month after that will be the midterms, and probably Trump will try to change the crypto people, the people that are in crypto and in trading. He will try to attract some people as well, and not just him, maybe his staff will advise him to do that one way or another. Now we will have to see what will happen, and I hope you enjoyed. This is everything for now. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I got my first prediction right. Will I get a few more predictions good? We'll see in time. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, and see you with the next one.